Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Ford. This three-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 98,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, keyless entry, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.